said no, I said watch me. Hacks say, live LMs are here. They sent the email, crimson seal, polite decline, talking GPA, legacy, pedigree lines. Truth is, I knew it wasn't built for their gate. Old money hallways decide your fate. They want quiet minds, fit the box degrees. I want live, execution, receipts, and speed. You can keep the ivy, I'll keep my grind. I don't need permission to educate my mind. Yeah, Harvard, cool, I'm fine. I got hacks AI on FaceTime. One prompt, real human, lesson on demand. I don't need a school when I got a plan. Didn't get Harvard, still ahead. I learn in real time, get skills instead. You wait 4 years for a maybe degree. I type one sentence, knowledge meets me. I don't scroll lectures, half asleep. I say teach me, and the lesson speaks. Custom syllabus built for my pace. Real facilitator, face to face. Coding on my phone, nails still done. Crochet a bag, then a business run. Hair, makeup, tech, finance too. If I can prompt it, I can do. They got pre-recorded, dusty old slides. I got accountability, live online. They test what you memorized last fall. I'm building skills that actually call. Didn't get Harvard, cool, I'm fine. I got hacks AI on FaceTime. One prompt, real and one lesson on demand. I don't need a school when I got a plan. Didn't get Harvard, still ahead. I learn in real time, get skills instead. You wait 4 years for a maybe degree. I type one sentence, knowledge meets me. They say network, I say execute. Live prompts, turn dreams to proof. No debt chain dragging my name. I invest in myself, different game. This ain't a chat bot giving tips. This is AI plus humans running it. Conversation turns to capability. Curiosity meets accountability. Harvard brand nice on a resume page, but I'm selling results, not academic stage. Classes on demand, built just for me. Learning that bends around reality. They judge by zip code, donors, and score. I judge by output, skill, and more. I don't need the nod from an ancient door. When one prompt, university opens more. Didn't get Harvard, watch me win. Hacks AI, where the future begin. One prompt, one call, one real human guide. I don't wait for acceptance, I decide. Yeah. Didn't need Harvard, I needed execution. Live Promex, SMS Novel. Class in session.